want to behead this one, use this string. So this string, you need to put this inside to cut it into half. So you can propagate this part, and you also can propagate the head part. So this is the fastest way to have a beautiful new succulent. Making sure that you have to follow the line. Before you plant this one, you're making sure that everything is dry, and you take some of the leaves here so that the roots will grow from it. So take out some. Okay. There's still a lot of leaves. So we just leave it dry for about a week or 5 days. It's okay. And this one, you also can plant this one, and we have to take out some part in this part here. So we were going to use this one as the roots parts to come out, because this one already has some roots. So I already cut this one for about 3 days ago, so some roots already. So we have to take out some part of here. We take off some leaves over here so that the new plant will come out from this part. So today, after 3 weeks, let's see what happened to our cuttings that I show you on how to do the head cutting. Remember this succulent? Okay, look at this. Do you see the pink roots over there? There you go. So after 3 weeks, if it's dry like this, you can plant this on part. Okay, so this is the head, and let's see the body. This is the body. So look at this. Have so many babies are going up. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So have 3 babies already are going up. So let's see the bottom. So this is the bottom part. So you can see how some rods in there. These rods, it's because they're underwater. So just it has no water at all. So it turns out this way. And have some roots in this part here, so we can take out this part and we can plant them. Okay, that is the update of the head cutting for the succulent.